Hello, if you are getting this message which is Lazada account locked, then don't worry, I will show you exactly how to fix it. As you can see, it says here, contact customer service, your account is locked for security reasons. Please contact customer service at this number. Now, if you just moved to another country or you used a number that is likely being used by someone else before you, and they recognize that this number is in their system and that the account linked with that number got locked for some reason, and you used it now, that's why you got locked, like your account is locked too. Now, this is just one of the reasons. Okay, now you just need to open the app inside your phone, and then you can see the number to call them directly. Just click on call now. If you don't see the number, just click on Lazada help center. Okay, just search on Google, on your browser, Google, like Google or Chrome, whatever, for like Microsoft Edge or whatever browser you are using on your phone or laptop. Search for Lazada help center. Okay, after that you want to click on help center, and then you will be able to find their number here. Okay, you will be able to find their number, and you can also chat with them. If you click on chat now, you will be able to chat with them directly, and then you will be able to check your account and tell you exactly what to do. Okay, that's exactly what you need to do. You can also search Lazada, and then next to it your own country, Malaysia or Philippines, whatever. Then click on that, and then you will be able to see a number that is that is going to work on your account depending on your country. That's all you need to do. So yeah, hopefully this tutorial helped. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Let me know your country and where your account is locked, what country in the comments. I might try to help you with a solution. Yeah, drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you.